Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my class. Ready for your class today? Okay, welcome back to school. And to me, English is fun. So let's start our class with fun. Okay, today I'm here. I'm Rehana Ferdouse from Shahid Anwar Girls College, and now I'm going to teach you a class for class 9 and 10 English first paper, Unit 3, lesson 3 and 4. And today's lesson is very important because it's a very important topic in our daily life, and also it's a very important topic from your book. Okay, let's see what's there today for you. Okay, what can you see here? Yes, I know you all know this monument. This is the Shahid Minar. Okay, and you all know where it is. Yes, here it is written Dhaka Vishwavidyalaya. That is the University of Dhaka. You all know about it. This is the Shahid Minar. And this is another picture of the Shahid Minar on the day of 21st February. When we talk about Shahid Minar, we remember the day of 21st February, which is known as Amor Ekushe to us. So, when do we go to this place usually to observe the special day? We all know this is 21st February. Okay, and whenever this day comes to our mind or comes to our view, we remember the milestone song for the day, commemorating our language martyrs. আমার ভাইয়ের রক্তে রাঙানো 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারি আমি কি ভুলিতে পারি. Okay, and we all know who wrote this song. Yes, Altaf Mahmud. He wrote this Amor song for us. So today we are going to learn Unit 3, Lesson 3 and 4, International Mother Language Day, Lesson 1 and 2. And we all know this is a very important topic for all our class 9 and 10. Okay, let's see what we will learn after this lesson. At first, of course, we will learn the 4 skills. As we know, every time, whenever we learn any lesson from our EFT, we get skills of listening, reading, speaking, and writing. And then we will learn why this day, that is 21st February, is important to us. We will also learn how do we celebrate this day in our country, and about the special activities in this day. And of course, we will learn why is the day observed worldwide, because we know this day is not only for us now. Now it is the International Mother Language Day. Okay, first let me tell you why this lesson is so important for you, because you can prepare for our exam for the same passage which is in your question number 1, 2 and 3. Then we can also learn about the matchings, because we will have the idea about the day, and this question will be in your question number 6, and you will be able to write a paragraph that is in question number 9 on this topic. After seeing this class, after attending this class, you will be able to combine all your ideas and write a paragraph on the International Mother Language Day. And of course, you will be able to write a letter. You will be able to describe to your friend or someone else about your experience, or about how you have observed the day in your school or in your country. Okay, so all these things, question number 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, and 11, for everything, this lesson is very important for you. So today I'm here with you with this lesson. Okay, let's read the text first. What's there in lesson 3, International Mother Language Day, part 1? Okay, here there is a picture of the Shohid Minar, and we see here the text is telling us about 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day, and this day is a national holiday. We all know about this, isn't it? Yes. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. The seed of the language movement was sown in 21 March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. You know, the eastern part of the country, East Pakistan, was our Bangladesh in those days. Okay, the protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. The students of Dhaka University defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21 February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Shafur, and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country, and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. This kindled the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. So in part 1, what we see? We see about the history of this day. Okay, look at this picture. This was a picture actually in Dhaka University area on that day. This is the peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952 by the students of Dhaka University. Here, there is another picture of the protest. And do you know this picture? Yes, here you see it's lettered as Moder Gaurav. This sculpture has named Moder Gaurav, and here we have Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Jabbar. You see here are the names under their sculpture, and here we find Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Jabbar, and Shafur. And this monument of language martyrs is in the Bangla Academy now. Okay, what was the result of the success of language movement? Let's see. It kindled the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. Actually, when people of country uh, got 21st February and Bangla language as their mother language to speak up as the state language, then they find their faith and their belief that they can fight for their rights, and they start protest, and they all tried to all tried for different movements, and that inspires people to go for the future movements, and those movements helps us to achieve independence of Bangladesh. Now let's see what's there in the next part. Okay, it says 21st February is observed as Shohid Dibosh every year throughout the country in remembrance of the martyrs of language movement of 1952. The commemoration begins at the early hours of the day with morning songs that recall the supreme sacrifice of our language martyrs. People wear black badges and go to the Shohid Minar in barefoot procession singing morning songs. They place wreaths at the Minar. Many of them visit the graves of the martyrs at Ajimpur graveyard and pray for them. They also attend various programs organized in remembrance of the language martyrs. The UNESCO, that is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, on 17 November in 1999 proclaimed February 21 as the International Mother Language Day in recognition of the sacrifices of the martyrs for the rightful place of Bangla. The day is now annually observed worldwide to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. Okay, now let's see the new words for us. What is wreath? Wreath means an arrangement of flowers in the shape of a circle. You see that we put wreaths in the Shohid Minar or the National Memorial on 16th December in remembrance of our martyrs. Those are the wreaths. Okay. In remembrance of, that means in memory of. Proclaim. Proclaim means declare. Okay. Diversity. Diversity means variety. Multilingualism. Multi means many and lingualism, language. So meaning of this is practice of using several languages. In recognition of, that means in appreciation of. So promote means encourage. Okay, now let's see what's there next. Okay, now as we know, UNESCO proclaimed this day in 1999 as the International Mother Language Day. So 21st February is now celebrated or observed worldwide as the International Mother Language Day. You can see in this picture a bird with flowers at mouth and many types of language here: English, Bengali, Hindi, and so on. Okay, now this day is celebrated internationally. And we all, to celebrate this day, we all go to the Shohid Minar. People wear black badges. See here, everyone has black badges on their chest. You see? Yes, here is the black badges on their chest. Okay, and people wear black and white saris or Punjabis. You see, women wear black and white saris and uh, men wear Punjabis, and they go barefooted to the Shohid Minar to show respect to the language martyrs. Everyone goes barefooted. So this word is important for you for this day. Okay. Now, you see this picture. This is the picture of the Boi Mela, that is the book fair arranged on this occasion all over the month of February, and we call it Ekushe Boi Mela, and it is here in the Bangla Academy premises. This is the Bangla Academy premise, and I show you this picture earlier. Okay, so here are the sculpture of Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, and others. Okay, here you can see the activities in a Boi Mela. People are moving on to stall, seeing the books and some opening of the new books. and so on. Okay? So, what we understand here, the celebration of 21st February as International Mother Language Day marks a day to promote awareness to the whole world. So, celebrating is as internationally marks a day for us to promote awareness, that is to create awareness to the whole world. And to promote what awareness? The awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. So now let's find out why this day is important. We have already discussed, but let's see in a piece, okay, as points. Because this day teaches us the importance of mother language for a person and a nation also. It attracts the youngsters to the traditional cultures and festivities. It inspires people to practice multilingual cultural diversity. So, what are the importance? Yes, the importance is for the mother language for a person and a nation, and to attract the youngsters to the traditional cultures and festivities, because youngsters will see how people observe this day with cultural festivities, traditional cultural festivities. And of course, it inspires people to practice multilingual cultural diversity. People can practice many languages to know their traditional cultures and festivities and the history of that country. So this day helps us to practice that, inspires us to practice that. Okay, now you can discuss in pair at home, or when you are in class, you can discuss with your friend how you celebrated the 21st February this year. I have a suggestion for you. Nowadays, all the educational institutions celebrate 21st February as the International Mother Language Day, and you can go and enjoy the day with traditional festivities in your school. Then you will learn many things about the day, and you will get a pictorial description in front of your view. You can enjoy the national celebrations of the day by watching TV news and also the special broadcastings for the day also. So you can do this to learn more about this day. Now, time for homework. Okay, your homework is to write down a paragraph within 115 words on the International Mother Language Day, or you can write down a letter to your friend in abroad describing how you have observed the 21st February this year. And you can combine all the ideas from this video and write the paragraph or the letter, combining all your ideas getting from this lesson. And please don't forget to write your paragraph only in a single para. Combine all the visual ideas you get here. I'm telling this because many times we find students writing a paragraph and don't mentioning one para. They make 2 or 3 para, which makes their paragraph answer a composition. So to make it an answer for paragraph, you must write it in only a single para. Remember it. So that's all for today. Thank you. I hope this class helps you, and this will help you a lot to make your answer for paragraph or letter or the others to answer in exam. Bye. See you.